So, good morning students. So, today we will solve the practical based on your depreciation. Last class we have discussed about the straight line method. So, today we will solve the practical questions. The question you can see from the board. On 1st April 2015, A Limited purchased a machine for rupees 2,40,000 and spent rupees 10,000 on its installation. On 1st October 2015, one more machinery has been purchased. Additional machinery costing rupees 1 lakh was purchased. That means हम same year में 2015 में और एक machine को purchase किए. On 1st October 2017, the machine purchased on 1st April 2015 was sold for rupees 1,43,000 and on the same date a new machine was purchased at a cost of rupees 2 lakhs. ठीक है? So you are required to prepare the machinery account for the first 4 years after charging depreciation at the rate of 5% per annum by the straight line method. So here we have to use the straight line method and depreciation rate is how much? Depreciation rate is your 5% per annum. So let us start our solution. So we have to draw the format of machinery account, date, particular JF debit amount, date, particular JF credit amount. So first of all, 1st April 2015, A Limited purchased a machine for rupees 2,40,000 and spent 10,000 on its installation. So what is the total cost? Total cost what is your 2,50,000. Okay. So April 1st, say 2015, machine has been purchased. ठीक है. So to bank account within bracket I am writing M1. ठीक है. M1 क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Because one more machine has been purchased. ठीक है. So M1 total amount is how much? Total amount is 2,50,000. Now you can see on 1st October 2015, that means same year, one more machine has been purchased for rupees 1 lakh. So October 1st 2015, one more machine has been purchased. So what we have to write? To bank M2. And what is the amount of the machine? Original cost is your rupees 1 lakh. Okay. And depreciation charge is your 5% per annum. Okay. And accounts has been closed. Your account has been closed at the end of your financial year. So financial year is your 31st March. Okay. So 31st March 2016. Okay. So depreciation कितना कैलकुलेट करना है? 5%. That is by depreciation. क्या लिखेंगे हम? By depreciation for M1. M1 कितना है? 2,50,000. Okay. 2,50,000 का 5% कितना आएगा? 12,500 for M1. Then M2. M2 का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 lakh. But M2 मशीन तो हम कब परचेस किए? October 1st. From October 1st till 31st March कितना महीने के लिए depreciation charge करना पड़ेगा? 6 months के लिए. Okay. That means you can say 1 lakh into 5% into 6 by 12. So how much it would be? It is your 2,500. Okay. So total amount is how much? Total amount would be your rupees 15,000 for depreciation. Now on the same date, what we will write? By balance carried down. By balance carried down कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? Machine 1 M1 2,50,000 था machine का value. Depreciation कितना हो गया? 12,500. So what is the value? 2,50,000 minus 12,500. Value would be 2,37,500. मशीन 2 का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 1 लाख का मशीन था, 25,000 रुपये डेप्रिसिएशन हो गया, माइनस करेंगे कितना आएगा? 97,500. ओके. सो दिस इज द वैल्यू. इसको टोटल कर देंगे. टोटल विल बी हाउ मच? टोटल वुड बी 3,35,000. ओके. एंड अकाउंट वुड बी क्लोज्ड. कितना आएगा ये? 3,50,000. अगेन अकाउंट वुड बी क्लोज्ड हियर 3,50,000. We are required to prepare depreciation for machinery account for how many years? For 4 years. तो ये 1 साल का हम लोग का कंप्लीट हो गया. नेक्स्ट ईयर 31st मार्च 2016 है. नेक्स्ट ईयर जो आएगा वो क्या आएगा? अप्रैल 1st 2016. क्या लिखेंगे हम? टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. बाय बैलेंस कैरी डाउन है, उसको टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन लिखेंगे. M1 का वैल्यू कितना है? M1 इज इक्वल टू 2,37,500 and M2 का वैल्यू कितना है? 97,500. And what is the total amount? Total amount is your 3,35,000. अगेन 2016 में हम कुछ मशीन परचेज नहीं किए, जो ट्रांजैक्शन हो रहा है कब? 2017 में. दैट मीन्स सिंपली वी आर likely to charge depreciation, and always remember depreciation is calculated at the end of the year. Accounting year कब close हो रहा है? 31st March. So 31st March 2017 क्या लिखेंगे हम? By depreciation. Okay. M1 original cost method है. Directly 2,50,000 का कितना परसेंट? 5%. How much it would be? 12,500. ठीक है. और M2 देखो ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट कितना था? 1 लाख का 5%, पूरा साल भर का यूज होगा, कितना आएगा? 5,000. ओके, टोटल विल बी हाउ मच? टोटल विल बी 17,500. सो नाउ व्हाट वी आर लाइकली टू प्रिपेयर द बैलेंसिंग फिगर, वी आर लाइकली टू कैलकुलेट. तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? बाई बैलेंस कैरी डाउन. बाई बैलेंस कैरी डाउन. मशीन वन का वैल्यू कितना है? 2,37,500 माइनस कितना करेंगे? माइनस 12,500. ठीक है. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू? वैल्यू वुड बी 2,25,000. कितना आ जाएगा वैल्यू? 2,25,000. और M2 का कितना आएगा? 97,500 माइनस 5,000 कितना आएगा? 92,500. ओके. सो टोटल वैल्यू विल बी हाउ मच? 3,17,500. टोटल वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा? 3,17,500. And account would be closed 3,35,000 and again 3,35,000. ठीक है. सो 2 साल का हम लोग का मशीनरी अकाउंट बना लिए. नेक्स्ट जो आएगा 31 मार्च 2017. नेक्स्ट क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? अप्रैल 1 2017 टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन. टू बैलेंस. So M1 is equals to how much? M1 is equals to 2,25,000 or M2 is how much? M2 is 92,500. And what is the total amount? Total amount is your 3,17,500. Now you see in April 1st 2017 what happens? On 1st October 2017 your the machine purchased on April 1st 2015 was sold for rupees 1,43,000. दैट मीन्स अक्टूबर 1 2017 में, ठीक है, पहला मशीन जो हम परचेज किए थे, ठीक है, कब मशीन परचेज किए? अप्रैल 1 2015, मतलब पहला मशीन 2,50,000 का मशीन को हम बेच दिए. कितना में? 1,43,000. तो बेचे कब है? अक्टूबर 1 2017. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे अक्टूबर 1 2017. ओके, ये अप्रैल 1 2017 है. सेम ईयर व्हेन वी सेल द मशीनरी व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू मशीनरी अकाउंट. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? बाय bank account. Okay, here what we have to write? Sale. And how much we have sold the machine? For value of 1,43,000. Now always remember, whenever we sell the asset, that means we are required to prepare the working note to calculate your profit or loss on sale of assets. ठीक है. तो machine has been sold on October 1st 2017. Balancing figure we have brought in from April 1st 2017. That means from April 1st till October 1st, 6 months machine has been used. So we are required to calculate depreciation for how many months? For 6 months. So October 1st 2017. What we will write? By depreciation. Only we are required to calculate depreciation for M1 for how many months? 6 months. That means 2,50,000 into how much? 5% into 6 by 12. Why we are calculating for 6 months? Because from April 1st till October 1st, how many months is there? The machine has been used for 6 months. Okay. So what will be the value? Value would be 6,250. Okay. So now we are required to calculate the working note to calculate profit or loss on sale of assets. Okay. So now we are required to calculate the working note. So calculation of profit or loss on sale of machine. Okay. तो देखो, book value of machine is how much? 2,25,000 as on April 1st 2017. So book value as on April 1st 2017, book value was how much? 2,25,000. ठीक है. 2,25,000 का मशीन था. डेप्रिसिएशन कितना चार्ज हुआ? 6,250. सो लेस depreciation for 6 months. And how much is the amount? 6,250. 250, उसको हम माइनस कर देंगे, ठीक है। सो हाउ मच इट वुड बी 2,18,750. Okay, now less sale value. So how much we have sold the machine? For rupees 1,43,000. So 1,43,000 we have sold the machine. So the difference figure would be, इतना का मशीन था, हम इतना में बेचे, so there would be profit or loss? It would be your loss on sale. And how much will be the amount? Amount would be 75,750. Loss on sale. Okay, so this is how we are required to calculate the working note. Again, that loss on sale would be shown here. October 1st, 2017. What we have to write? By profit and loss account. Within bracket, what we will write? Loss on sale. And how much is the amount? Amount is your 75,750 is the amount. Okay. So now what happened? On the same date, one more machine has been purchased for rupees how much? 2 lakhs. तो ये मशीन थर्ड हम परचेज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। सेम डेट मतलब October 1st, 2017. So October 1st, 2017. What we will write? To bank. Okay. M3. Third machine has been purchased for rupees how much? For rupees 2 lakhs. For rupees 2 lakhs. Okay. So now we are required to calculate depreciation. Remember, एक चीज ध्यान में रखिएगा, first machine has been sold. Okay. So no need to calculate the depreciation for first machine. Why? Because already we have calculated the depreciation for 6 months and we have prepared the working note for the calculation of profit or loss on sale of assets. That means depreciation would be charged only on M2 and M3. Okay. So depreciation would be your, it would be calculated on 31st March say 2018. ओके, क्योंकि अप्रैल 1st 2017 है, अकाउंटिंग क्लोज कब होगा? 31st March 2018. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर? बाय depreciation. Okay, so by depreciation we are required to calculate your depreciation at the rate of 5% for M2. M2 का बुक वैल्यू कितना था? 1 lakh. 1 lakh का 5% how much it would be? It would be your 5,000. Okay, and for M3, listen, we have purchased the machinery M3 in October 1st 2017 and depreciation has been calculated as on 31st March. That means depreciation will be calculated for 6 months. So 2 lakh into 5% into 6 by 12. Okay, so how much would be the amount? Amount would be your 5,000 and total amount would be how much? Total amount is your 10,000. Okay, so this I am separating this one. This is the working note. So now same date, what we will write? By balance carry down. Okay, M2 value is 92,500 minus how much? Minus 5,000. So how much will be the value? Value would be 87,500 for M2 and for M3. M3 is your 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 5,000 would be how much? 1,95,000. This is for M3. Okay, and what will be the total amount? Total amount would be 2,82,500. So now we will get the total. Okay, so total कितना आएगा हम लोग का? 3,17,500 plus 2 lakh. Total will be 5,17,500 and here also same total 5,17,500. Okay, so this is for the third year. Now for one more year we are required to calculate your depreciation. So what we will write? 31st March 2018. Next date is your April 1st 2018. क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? To balance brought down. ठीक है. M2 value is how much? M2 value is 87,500. So M2 value is 87,500 and M3 value is how much? 1,95,000. ठीक है. Total value कितना हो गया? 2,82,500. Now we are required to calculate depreciation. 31st March 2019. So 31st March 2019. ठीक है. क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? By depreciation. Okay, for M2. M2 का ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट कितना था? 1 lakh. 1 lakh का 5% कितना होगा? 5,000. Okay, and for M3 ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट इज हाउ मच? 2 lakh. 2 lakh का 5% कितना आएगा? 10,000. So total depreciation is how much? Total depreciation is your 15,000. So last figure what we will write, by balance carried on. ठीक है, टोटलिंग हम लोग कर देंगे. टोटलिंग would be how much? So by balance carried on for M2 value is how much? 87,500 minus 5,000. So how much it will be? It will be 82,500 for M2, and for M3 how much? 1,25,000 minus 10,000. How much it would be? It would be your 1,85,000. Okay, and what will be the total amount? Total amount would be 2,67,500. Okay, so total amount is your 2,67,500. So this will be total 2,82,500, and this will be total your 2,82,500. Okay, so this is how we are required to calculate your depreciation. Okay, so for 4 years and using your what? Using straight line method.